Good day, ma'am. I am the reporter of Group 5 and my topic is all about adjective clauses. So what is adjective clauses? Adjective clauses is a type of subordinate clauses that modifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective clauses may begin with relative pronoun who, whom, whose, that, which, where, or when. It normally follows the word it modifies. Example, the man who is taking all of the picture is my uncle. Number 2, I didn't like the cake which Aaron brought to the party. The relative pronoun is the head of the relative clause. Each relative clause has a subject. The man who is taking all of the picture is my uncle. Who is subject and taking is verb. Number 2, I didn't like the cake which Aaron brought to the party. Aaron is subject and brought is the verb. Each relative clauses has a subject and a verb. You can see in my first example, the relative clause is the subject. The relative clause always goes after the noun. How do I know when to use who, which, that, or whose? In this chart, I displays of example, which is people, things, possessive, pets, and animals. Relative clause used for people is whose or that. For things, which or that. For possessive, whose. For pets, who. And for animals is which. The word that is less formal and most common when speaking which or who is slightly more formal. For people, I have two examples. First is the formal. I have a friend who could speak 6 languages. Next is the less formal. I have friend that could speak 6 languages. Next is the example for the things. I bought a blanket which glow in the dark. Next, I bought a blanket that glows in the dark. Next is possessive. I spoke to a friend whose uncle is a lawyer. We can also use whose for things, not just people. It was a beautiful hotel whose lobby looked like a palace. And for pets, my neighbor has a dog who constantly barks. Sometimes for pets, we could use which and that. Next, the animals. Giant pandas, which are endangered, can spend 10 hours a day eating. Animals that have hair or fur are called mammals. Some adjective clauses are necessary to make the meaning of the sentence clear. These adjective clauses are called essential clause or restrictive clause. Restrictive adjective clause must not be set off with commas. Example, movie that have no substance bore me. Number 2, the author whom I like began to write during the Renaissance period. In both sentences, the adjective clauses are essentially since they specify the nouns they modified, such as the only those movies that have no substance bore the speaker. Not all movies in the same manners that only those authors. That's all.